8874 Norco. We are in the west area of Las Vegas. There's no wooden frame that needs to be maintained around the garage, so that's nice. There's no HOA, so you aren't going to get anyone telling you that you need to paint the shutters or anything like that. So this is a really nice door. So it's great to have a screen door that you can lock, because you can enjoy the outside and not have to worry about kids and pets escaping. So the walls are really close to the biscotti color that we do, just a tiny bit darker. And we have 2.5-inch faux wood blinds already up, and we have paper on the picture windows. Carpet looks good. Tile, split level, obviously. And laminate counters. Okay, cabinets look good. Space saver microwave. Carpet looks good.
President's habits here. Yeah, I'm glad at the end he pulled back, but because of his habits and how he talks about these things, I worry that he may have further poked the hornet's nest. If the president was reluctant to use force against Iran this past week, he also decided at the last minute.
So we have tile in the laundry, which is nice, because it's about $5.50 a square foot to replace vinyl, so that's a nice upgrade. And it's also nice that the laundry room is off to itself, so it's not a room that you pass through. Cabinets have like a texture to the paint, and they look to be in good condition. Okay, thanks. Shoes?
You're fine.
Okay. Okay. So carpet looks good, paint looks good. Okay, we have the correct blinds up here. Carpet looks good. Huge closet. Really large closet. Okay, tile, which is great. Same textured cabinets. Okay. No rust on the light fixture, that's nice. Okay. Blinds look good. Paint looks good too. It's nice to have ceiling fans, especially in the extra rooms, because you don't always get that. It looks to be functioning fine. This room has a fan as well. Need some blinds on it. It's a nice closet, especially for an extra bedroom. Paint looks great from what I can tell. And tile again. The same textured cabinets. Brown. Okay.